Hello YouTube, it's your friendly EdTech here for another exciting video. This time I'm going to show you a really fun site called Kahoot. Kahoot is a great place for students and teachers to create a fun trivia game. So the site that we're going to go to today is create.kahoot.it. And this is where the teacher is going to create this fun trivia game. So you can sign in to Kahoot using Google or Microsoft. First you have to sign up. It's very easy to do and it's free. I'm going to sign in right now. And when I log in, you can see at the top you have an option to find Kahoots, which allows you to actually find other people's different Kahoots on a variety of different subjects. Each Kahoot is its own trivia quiz, which you'll be able to play with the students. I'm going to select my Kahoots because I created a demo and I just want to show you how it works. Next video, I'll show you actually how to create a Kahoot, and in the third video, I'll show you how to find Kahoots and make them your own and customize them. So here you can see under My Kahoots, I have the President's Demo, and there's also a duplicate of the American Revolution, which is something someone else made. So I'm just going to click on the Preview button for the President's Demo. And this is going to show that the questions I created. So I created 3 questions on the presidents. And I'm going to click these 3 little dots over here, and I'm going to click the Preview button. This is going to bring up a preview of how it will look when you work with your students. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to project this screen, the Kahoot, on an actual, through a projector onto an interactive whiteboard, or if you just have a regular whiteboard, that would work fine. And then you need to make a decision on whether or not you want to go with classic mode, which means that every student will have a device when they want to participate in a Kahoot, or do you want to have teams where maybe you're using 5 laptops or 5 tablets or 5 iPads or 5 phones in the class with your students. That's up to you because it works like an interactive response. So you're going to put the stuff on the screen, the students are going to respond with the device. Okay? So if you want to use a phone or a tablet, there is an app that they can download for either an iPhone or an Apple iPad or an Android device. They can go to the Google Play Store and download the app. If the students are going to use a regular computer, then they're just going to want to go to kahoot.it. So if you go classic, that's everybody needs to have a device. If you go with team mode, that means that a group of kids could have one device and they can share the device. So I'm just going to go pretend that it's a one-to-one. Everybody has a computer or a portable device and click classic. Okay. Next, it says ready to join. So this over here on the right-hand side is the Kahoot phone. It's the demo phone. So I'm going to put in the actual passcode, and then I'm going to click enter. And now it asks me for a nickname. So I'm just going to put my nickname being EdTech. And then I'm going to click let's go. Now it shows up on the screen. As the players show up, a whole bunch of names will show up. So notice it says here naughty nickname. Obviously it's not naughty, but in some cases if someone puts something inappropriate up there, you can hover over it and remove the name. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click start, and you'll see right away the questions come up and the kids will be able to respond using their phones. So I'm going to click start. And here we go. It says, who is the first president of the United States? So it's going to wait about 20 seconds. And then you see it's showing George Washington. And it's in blue. I'm going to click the blue one. And then it says it's correct. And you can see over here, it's showing the correct answer. It's showing a data chart. It'll show you who received the correct answer and who has the wrong answers. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click next, and we'll resume to the next question. And it's showing that I'm the leader. Obviously, I'm the only one on the board. But okay. Next question, which president created a New Deal? I'm going to click on Roosevelt, so I'm going to click the circle. And you see it could show 2 in a row. Click next. I'm going to click next again. Which president presided over the Civil War? Let's say I give the incorrect answer, so I'm going to use the circle with the orange and put Reagan. And it says that's incorrect. And now at the end, it's going to give the total scores, and it's going to say who the leader is. I'm going to click Get Results. And now what I can do is over here, I can save the results. If I save the results, I'll be able to save them either as a Excel file, or I can save it to Google Drive. If I save it to Excel or to Google Drive, it ends up with a sheet that looks like this. And you can see it gives you a lot of data. It tells you the correct answers, the incorrect answers, and how the students felt about the activity. Students are also able to rate the activity by using their device, and they can say, well, how did you rate the Kahoot? Well, I'll give it 4 stars, thumbs up, thumbs down, tell us how you feel, and you can just smile. This gives you an idea of how the students are feeling about the actual activity. If you want to play it again, you can play it again. And then over here, you can show the feedback. This shows you how your students actually felt. This is a really fun activity. I've worked with a lot of teachers on doing this activity, and they really love it. The kids are really engaged. You can put any kind of questions, multiple choice questions you want up there, and you'll find that it's really something that's enjoyable and a great experience for the kids. So in the next video, I'll show you how to create a Kahoot. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.